A very good evening to my respected teacher and my dear friends. Hope you all are safe at home. I'm Ravina from 3A Group 4th year, and today our group will represent the topic influenza. Let's get started.
Definition of influenza. According to WHO, influenza is a viral infection that affects mainly the nose, throat, bronchi, and occasionally lungs. This infection is usually lasts for about a week. And this is characterized by sudden onset of high fever, aching muscles, headache and severe malaise, non-productive cough, sore throat, and rhinitis.
Risk factor of influenza: age, living or working condition, pregnancy, obesity, weak immune system, chronic illness like asthma, heart disease, diabetes, metabolic disorder.
The clinical manifestation of influenza. The clinical presentation of influenza can vary from asymptomatic infection or a self-limiting upper respiratory tract infection to a severe illness, often with serious potential fatal complications. The clinical causes depend on the virulence of the virus.
Pathogenesis of influenza. First is influenza virus attachment to the cell membrane, then the application of influenza virus and production of cytokines and cytotoxic factor. Then it causes airway inflammation and alveolitis. Airway inflammation damages the airway, endothelial and epithelial cell, which causes pneumonia and bronchial asthma, and alveolitis damages the epithelium and endothelial cell, which causes pneumonia and ARDS.
Signs and symptoms of influenza virus include dizziness, diarrhea, fatigue, malaise, sudden onset of chills and fever, dry cough, sore throat, etc.
Classification of influenza virus. There are three types of influenza virus strains. First, type A. It has hemagglutinin and neuroimmunidase. It causes pandemic flu. It has 144 different influenza A subtype. Affects in any age of groups like humans and animals. Illness is moderate to severe. And type B, causing regional pandemic. It is a milder disease. Primary effect in children and human only.
Type of influenza virus. There are 4 types of influenza virus. First one is influenza virus A, second one is influenza virus B, third one is influenza virus C, and fourth one is influenza virus D.
Influenza virus causes influenza in bird and with some people in the only species of the genus, and the alpha influenza of the virus can be orthomyxiviridae, and the strains of subtypes of influenza A virus have been isolated from the wild bird.
Influenza C virus is the species in the genus Gamma influenza virus. Influenza virus are members of the family Orthomyxiviridae. Influenza virus A, B, C, and D represent the 4 antigenic types of influenza virus. Influenza A virus is the most severe. Influenza B virus is the least severe but can still cause outbreaks, and influenza C virus is usually only associated with minor symptoms.
Serology and rapid antigen testing.
Differential diagnosis: tonsillitis, measles, orientosis, pneumonia, typhoid, viral hepatitis, enterovirus illness, and inflammation in a cavity of nose.
Treatment, firstly we have to increase the fluid intake and take the proper bed rest. Then also medications we will give are analgesics, antiviral, anti-inflammatory drugs, and also paracetamol is useful because it can reduce the symptoms, and anti-steroidal drugs also we can give the patient, and throat lozenges are also useful.
An influenza pandemic is a global outbreak of a new influenza A virus. Pandemic happen when new influenza A virus emerge which are pupil to infect easily and spread with pupil to pupil.
Swine influenza is an human respiratory tract infection which is caused by the influenza H1N1 virus started in pigs. Swine influenza first time recognized in the 1919 pandemic, and nowadays it also circulates as a seasonal flu.